Okay, this is the leg build of the high grade 1/44 scale Wing Gundam. Let's get to it. So first thing I need would be this. You know, guys, I was planning on making a dual build of the G-Portin and the Nile Gundam. I'm not sure if that's a good idea. If I'm going to dual build, because basically dual building, I won't get bored of the same kit over and over again as I did with the Wing Gundam, because the sanding process is so tiring. It's so tiring that it bores you to death. But it has to be done, unfortunately. You want the best results, you have to work for it. And let's put that. Let's go. Like cover goes like this. Left legs. Okay, that's that done. And the thruster. Yeah. Okay. Close everything up. Come on, why won't you close? Sometimes these things require so much pressure. And yet sometimes the pressure isn't even enough. Okay, it's not done. Final part on this leg part. Oh wait, no, it's not final part. This is the final part of the leg. Okay, that's the leg armor done. Next would be feet. I hope you guys can see this well, because I'm not even sure. So yeah, it's quite hard for me to build Gunpla these days. Even though Gunpla's everywhere, it's the budget and shipping costs, and where I live, especially where I live, the habitat, the living part is the annoying part. No one seems to be interested in this kind of hobby. Heck, there's not even a model store nearby. There's a model store, sorry. It's just very crap. Anyway, here is the leg of the high grade 1/44 scale Wing Gundam. And next, we shall attend the waist unit. So that's the first leg. Where's the second leg? Where's the second leg? Where's my second leg? My second leg. So so that was the left foot that we built. Here's the right foot, leg. And now that you will notice that these are made of decals, but I might just paint them. Okay, moving on. Okay, continuing with our build of the high grade 1/44 scale Wing Gundam. Next is the waist unit, and for this part, if you can see, if this camera focus, this is a seal or foil sticker that Bandai included, so be careful when applying. Use tweezers and cotton buds to apply it. Okay, so now we begin the waist unit. What's first? Come on, stop being a pain. Go in. I don't know why focusing so hard on this. Mix this blue piece. Yeah, that's right. Now for this part, the front skirt, these two are meant to be together, but I separated them so you can have independent moving side skirts, which I like. And I think I'm missing something. I'll put it here. Here. Put this poly cap in. Place this in here. That's the front. That's that done. Take this part. This part. They're so tight. Okay, let's see. Yes, that's correct. And that just decides to roll view. In here, and there we have the waist unit completed. Next we'll do the wing unit. Alright, now we have the wing unit of the high grade 1/44 scale Wing Gundam. Just build a wing. Should be easy. Now I'm very disappointed that this part on both sides, in the box art, it's in anime, it's this part right here is white, but since Bandai being Bandai just decided to do this in whole red plastic. I might paint it, I might not. It doesn't really matter. If you want real anime accuracy, then you paint it. Is it this way or is it that way? Is it this way or is it that way? I can't tell. Oh, it's this way. And here we have the wing. That's the left wing, this is the right wing. Oh, that's left now, I guess. It's just to pop the wings in. Pop the wings into the wing unit. And then I guess we're done. In fact, let's do it right now. So, yeah, we have the wings, the body, the head, the waist, left leg, right leg, arms. Can I fit this all in one shot? Arms, yes, I can. So here's all the parts for the Wing Gundam, and let's just assemble it right now. So I'll assemble the head first. Head goes into head ball joint. Wing goes here. Arm goes into this. I can't. Yeah, forgot about this yellow piece. I hate this yellow piece right now. Stay there, oh yeah. Man, these polycaps are stiff. That's good, I guess. Time for the legs. Take the waist unit, lift up the skirt armor. Apply the waist. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, if you can see this triangle on both sides meant to be black. Same as with the arms, triangle is meant to be black. I think I'm just going to paint it or line it with my Gundam marker and then just be done with it. Pliers. Oh, I feel like something snapped. So tight. Does feel like something's going to snap. That's a wing. That. Arms, legs, waist unit, head, waist. Fine. Now to attach the wings. And there goes the yellow piece again. There's the wings for the left. The wings for the right. This Gundam has a lot of missing details. Like I don't think there's a sticker for the. Like, there's no sticker for the front head camera or the back head camera. So there's like a lot of work to be done with this kit as well. But it's also a simple build. So here we have it, the high grade 1/44 scale Wing Gundam. Now obviously it comes with a shield and beam weaponry. It's beam rifle. We'll build that next. So here's a good look. Now remember, I did say I was going to paint the clear green, the clear piece clear green. So yeah, I like it. I like this Gundam. It's overhead, it's oversized shoulders, long wings, and it's not back heavy. That's the good thing, because most Gundam with backpacks are always quite back heavy. And there goes the yellow piece. Anyway, stick around and we'll do the weapon assembly, and then this kit will be done. Alright, continuing with our build of the high grade 1/44 scale Wing Gundam. This is all its accessories. As you can see, that there's the clear green beam effect part for its beam saber. There's the beam saber handle. Here's the rifle, beam rifle, and here's its shield. So let's start with the shield, as that's the easiest. Okay, this part, if you guys can see, focus. This small part right here, this indent, if you can focus. Okay, this indent right here, this curved part right here, that's a foil sticker. That's you have to have a sticker for it. So here, you have to have a sticker for it. And I'm not really going to bother you doing that. It is too cumbersome. Now I'm just looking at the manual here, and it looks like that small green sticker is for... Right, it's for the beam rifle. Even wonderful. Ah, it's so small though. It's like you have to apply it right here. Apply it right here. I might as well just paint it. That's what I'm gonna do. I'll just paint it. So with the shield, starting with the shield, I put the red pieces on first. There's also this indent right here is also a sticker for the black piece. So many stickers in the high grades. And that's probably why I like the master grade so much. More detail, more plastic detail. Less toyish, I guess. I'm going to paint these eventually. So I'm just going to do a straight build. I'd do a few stickers as possible. Why won't this go in? Come on, close the gap. Why is there a gap? What have I done wrong? Tell me I can get this out. Okay, I got that out. So applying this here, like so. Obviously, apply this in. There we go. Next, apply the shield handle. Done. And then for the beam saber, this is where it's stored. You just flip this down, place the beam saber handheld in it. If it's the correct way around. Funny. Just like so. It's such a small peg, I don't want to break it. There we go. Shield done. Beam rifle, nothing too major. Nothing too major, I guess. Yeah. So. Piece. This piece. I'm gonna apply this small yellow part. I like the yellow. It's good how this gun has a bit of contrast instead of being an all grey gun. Then that's the beam rifle done, and the shield and the beam saber here. Now we have the Wing Gundam right here. So let's go and equip this guy. I'm gonna just change my camera angle slightly. Lower, 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 lower. I have a lot of junk on my table. Okay, this looks to be a good angle. Gun fits in perfectly. Shield, just pop the shield handle down and peg it in. And there you have it. The 1/44th scale high grade Wing Gundam is complete. Not much I can say other than it's a good Gundam. Nothing really I can say other than it's a good Gundam. I wouldn't recommend this for beginners. There's too much detailing, but high grades are great for people who wants to start, who just wants to start building Gunpla or having built Gunpla for the first time. I would recommend this kit, I guess. But if you really want it to be anime accurate, then you add panel lines, which I'll do later off camera, add paint and all that. Like all the professional modelers wouldn't do all that. Well, not professional, like people who want it to be anime accurate. I guess that's it. This is, once again, this is the high grade 1/44th scale Wing Gundam. And I guess I'll see you guys later then. Thanks. Bye bye.